What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be installing these. You can see them. They're strobes for the rear taillights of the car, so you can have maximum brightness. Because I have tinted rear light covers, and they're tinted, and it's hard to see the lights when the brake light goes on, and it's freaking me out. Because last time I had the rear end collision, and it nearly totaled the car, and this is going to prevent that. People that are, driving too close to me, I don't know what they stare at, but they're not driving the right way, and they end up running into my car. They're following way too closely. It's so bad that sometimes I have to pull over to the side of the road because idiots are too close to me. Then they get mad when I do that. Okay, so that's what this is, and this is what we're going to do today, and enjoy the video. Oops. Okay, you're going to be pushing this harness right through. Then the light is ready to be pulled out from the outside. I believe the 1157 is going to be right here. Turn this, and it'll come out. Let's make sure. No, I don't think that's it. That's the driver. And I think it's this one. Well, no. I'm gonna swap it with this strobe. You can touch this bulb because it's not halogen, so it's not going to affect it. Alright, now we're going to test it. You will need this piece here. As you can see, it's like I don't got a good video of it. It's like a long piece that goes. It's going to hook to your brake pedal and also your seat, okay? It's adjustable too, so you can adjust it over here like this. Yeah. It's adjustable. Oh, and of course, don't forget to hook up your harness. There we go. What do y'all think about that? Let's get a better look at that. There. Okay,
there you go. That's the strobe brake light. Now we're going to put the driving light on to see if it stays the same. Driving light does this. Not too fond of that. It should be just a solid light, but it's not. It's going to be like kind of freaky. Okay, and I'll get a front view of that. And let's see what it looks like with the headlight off. Okay, headlight off, there's nothing there. Then I'll turn the brake back on. Brake only. Okay. That ought to get everybody's attention, right? Right. Let's get this thing back together again. Oh, that'll keep people away from my rear, right?
ABG cars. ABG cars.